Hi guys. Good good afternoon. It's already 4:37 in the afternoon. So because I'm gutom, I'm going to eat. So let's eat this one. Cheesy seafood from Nissin cup noodles. Sakit ng katawan ko. Hindi naman siya sobrang sakit. Siguro na bigla lang sa jogging. Because I jog. Sorry. Nag-jogging kami kanina. Wow! Look at this. Perfect. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng water. Let's just add water. Look at this one. Yes. So, tatakpan lang muna natin siya for a while and then babalikan natin siya. Babalikan ko pala ito. Kasi wala na akong babalikan. Uy, sorry. Wala pala akong babalikan. Sorry. I stand corrected. Sorry. Okay. So, babalik tayo for a while. So, okay na siguro ito. Bango. Nakita niyo ba? Ayan. Great. Ayan. Ang sarap. Go.